Welcome to the City of Aurora's Customer Portal. The portal was developed in collaboration with city staff and input from the local community. This video tutorial will show you how to apply for your block party permit. Block party permits are only required if neighbors want to block off the city street with barricades for a neighborhood event. Street barricades will be made available free of charge to approved applicants on a first-come, first-served basis. Block party permits are not intended for private parties or events related to political affiliations, commercial or religious organizations, or for neighbors who host a private party on their private property. For one of these scenarios, please refer to the Permit Center tutorial and apply for a temporary use permit. Additionally, if the event organizer does not reside on the block where the party will occur, and/or if food or merchandise vendors will be present at the event, you will also need to apply for a temporary use permit. Using the customer portal to apply for your block party permit gives you the power and freedom to apply at your convenience in a timeline that works for your needs. Once you've completed the application process, it will be addressed within each city department as soon as possible. The customer portal also serves as your communication portal when you have questions or additional information is needed to complete your application. Regardless of whether your permitting, licensing, inspection, or registration needs are large or small, the customer portal has you covered. The customer portal is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to submit a new application. If you are applying for a block party permit, this video is for you. Let's take a look at how you can easily create and submit an application using the City of Aurora customer portal. To access the customer portal, type https://buildaurora.org into your browser. If this is your first time applying for a permit, you will need to register for an account. If you applied for a permit in the past, but have not yet been to the customer portal, you will also need to register for an account. Also, if you have previously applied with the city, you may be able to access historical applications after registration. So let's get you registered. First, click Register for an Account here. Please read the general disclaimer. Check the box and click Continue Registration. Here you will need to complete all fields with a red asterisk. Under Contact Information, click Add New and choose between individual or organization. If you are registering as a company or organization, choose Organization and click Continue. Again, complete all fields with a red asterisk. You can also add an additional contact address by clicking here. Complete all required fields and click Continue. Then click Continue again. Back at the registration page, click Continue Registration. This completes your registration. Once you have registered, historical records may be available. To view those records, click My Records. Also, throughout the application process, you can choose to save and resume your application later. When you do this, your application will be here under My Records for you to resume. To apply for a block party permit, select Permits. Then click on Create an Application. Under Permits, select Block Party Permit and click Continue Application. On the Contacts List page, you will need to input the contact information for 2 applicants from different addresses. Both applicants must be a resident of the block and/or neighborhood that is hosting the event. To use the information you used at registration for one of the applicants, click Select from Account. Select the correct address from those listed and click Continue. Here you'll see that the contact information has populated for the first applicant. To add contact information for the second applicant, click on Add New. In the Contact Information pop-up window, complete all fields with a red asterisk. All fields with a red asterisk are required fields. The contact address is also a required field. Add the second applicant's contact address by clicking on Add Additional Contact Address. From the drop-down list, select the address type, then complete the information and click Save and Close. The address is now populated in the Contact Information window. Click Continue. Back on the Contacts list page, you'll notice that both applicants' contact information now appears. Click Continue Application. Next, in the Custom fields, complete all fields with a red asterisk. For number of people, enter the number of people you expect to attend the event. If you select Yes for tents and awnings, also enter the size of the tents or awnings. If you do not have all the information you need to complete the application, you can select Save and Resume later. Later, when you're ready to complete the application, you can retrieve it in the My Records section. Once you have completed all required fields, click Continue Application. On the Review page, check to make sure that all your information is correct. To edit any field, click the Edit button on the right for that section. If you're satisfied with everything, read the certification pane, check the box, and click Continue Application. Congratulations! This completes your application process. Here you will see that you have been assigned a record ID for your application. This is the number you will use when communicating with city staff. Once your application has been processed and approved, you will receive an email with your permit. If you need a new copy of your permit after it's been emailed, contact the City of Aurora Permit Center for assistance. 1 week prior to your block party, you will receive another email with additional instructions for your block party. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to utilize the City of Aurora Customer Portal. We hope the portal will make the process of applying for a block party permit simple and easy. If you have any questions, please reach out to the City of Aurora Permit Center for assistance.